Welcome to Factorio modded. We are on the terribilis place we found last time. Move this map? No, I can't move it. We're at asteroid. It's the first place I found that's not a temple, but it's a planet. That's why all the planets have got stuff. So we're trying to solve some puzzles, and I crashed the game last night, and I had to go to bed. So we're talking to Brontion here. He's got some. He seems to be generating rockets. Going for a walk. Trying to solve this puzzle though, and I managed to solve this one with the help of the audience last time. It wasn't too bad. I think that all it was this. But then you got harder ones. And you have different difficulties. And you get this one gives me 100 machine learning data, which is pretty cool. So I wonder what's going to get level 10. Why don't we click on level 10 straight away? 10 like I said. Oh, what the hell? That's crazy. How the hell are you going to get that in 2 attempts? What the hell? Oh my god. Look at the numbers. Oh my god. And that's networking processes. Water beacons. Oh, prod 9. That's pretty cool. Speed 9. Efficiency 9. Oh, a Spidertron. Significant data. And machine learning data. Okay, we got some prizes. We got my fish. Find my fish. What's this random one? What's the prize? Don't know. Anyway, we're gonna try to get this next one here. This is the second one. So this is a 3-dimensional grid, but represented in 2 dimensions. So when it's got this here, the x is 1 and these are zeros. That's 1 on the x plane, but the other 2 are zeros. So then this one on the top right, that's the y plane, is 1. So you're going to navigate this into a 3-dimensional location. So I think it's like a ratio situation. So like, you know, this sort of thing. But like, further down the net, because the top left one's probably going to be 25 or something. A little bit further down. In the middle. The fish got level 3. Oh my god. That guy's taunting me. Think about it a little bit. I need to actually get like some actual calculator out. Do this rather than trying to guess it. I mean, I think this is like linear algebra. I'm not 100% how to solve it. That's all 0.25s. That's a 0.5. Okay, that goes closer to that. So obviously the 0.25 was fine. It's just these ones here were out of sync. Okay, so 0.33 is fine on that one. It's 0.66 on this one then. Ooh, just. Oh, look at the stuff we've got. All the machine learnings on the ground. Yes, when you're learning, perhaps this prize will help you learn faster. 100 machine learning data. Okay, 100 significant data, that's a bit better. Oh, top left is 111. Okay. Top right is a y coordinate, so it's like halfway on the y-axis. The middle of it is though we're half as well. But the z, the top left is 1 as well as the bottom left. So be half as well, but it's the Z zero on that top right, so it's gonna be much closer to that was. Needs to be on the grid at least. Ah. It's not even on the grid. But all good. Hmm. Oh, that was good. Just got it. Okay, that's the next one. Is the Spidertron. So, oh, got -1. That's awkward. Introduced negatives. Oof. And the number of attempts goes down too, which makes it quite tricky. Each of these are like the Z plane is the bottom left. We need to put a chest down. Go put some stuff inside it so you should pick up these prizes. That's my prizes. Can I pick them up? Oh, the raw fish. Where's that raw fish gone? There we go, got my prizes. See, good to see. I'd like to do a save on that. That's level 4 on this. Level 4. Visit Brontion. Level 4. This is where it gets tricky. Get your hat on. Your smart hat. So the top left is -1. And the top right is 0. And it's probably somewhere between -1 and 0, right? That's my thoughts on how it works. But maybe it's not how it works. Bottom left is 0 as well. They're both 0 and it's -1. Minus 2.25. 6 down though, so that maybe? Oh no, it's 4 out of 6 down. But it's 3 away from that and 3 away from that. Halfway between. Might be a 0.5. Be a 0.5. Why? Whereas 1, the other's a 0, so this is really kind of center, eh? It might be a 0.5. It's kind of right, and then the Z definitely more towards closer to it. Have a look. This goes. That's there. Okay. At least we got a good start. We're not too far off. So a bit close, but too far on the X coordinates. We're gonna go further towards the 1. Probably Y coordinates. Who's Z? I don't understand how Z works. Third dimension. That's pretty much the ratio between these two is for Z, right? They're both gonna move. Well, that was the right idea. Let's do that again. 83. And the X. Yeah, maybe it gets past halfway to 0. Ooh, that was so close. So it's just over the... over. Here we go. Yeah, I got myself a spare Spidertron. That's nice. Is this any better than the one you normally get? Change shooting speed 200%. This one. Oh, it's the same. Cool, that's all 4 done. Level 5, interesting module 9. Oh, I get 7? A 7? How many is it? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 by 7 grid. So we point at 49, but a 7th is 14%. So it's 0.14s per Z. 1 might be a 3. Maybe? I don't know. That's the 0 though, so there's a ratio between that and this other one. That's a 2. Could be in the negative. I don't know if it's going to do negative or not. Tricky. It's tricky. The x is a 1 up there. That's kind of close to the x plane. 1/7 across, so we just take do that. Y is a bit trickier. 6/7 away. So ooh, that was close. That was close. The Z is not quite right. X could be a little bit more as well. Got the X. Four. And then maybe that could be another one below. Almost there. This might be a okay, so it goes towards that direction. Uh, 58. Yay! Just about 9. That's pretty good. That's attempt 5. 6. Beat 5 challenges to unlock free play mode and set your own challenge. Ah, okay. We're at speed module 9, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 this time. All these numbers are all over the place. Holy moly. Oh man, this is a lot trickier. So top right is an X. 8. You get the 3 bottom left. Top left is a 1. More like bottom right though, isn't it? So something more like a 5 or something. Y. Basically more on the 0 plane, but I guess the like 1.5 or something. The Z it's close to 3, that's close to 8. 5. Oof, that was pretty close. That was pretty close. That was very close. I think I'm gonna drop these back. I think the Y was okay. So close. Yay! Getting the hang of this. Unlock free play so you can make your own puzzles if you want. Wasn't that cool? Wait, so for speed 9. Alright, let's go to the next one. Oh, they got all little negative numbers. Odd 9. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 by 10 grid. 10 by 10 is not so bad actually. It's decimal, like factor is a 10, that's basically like a 1, 6 it's a 1, etc. Imagine like that, it's like a 35. Stored. Okay, that's on the X coordinate 8, 3, 1. It's way over there, so this is 3/10 towards this side. I think I like a 0.5, maybe. Maybe 0.6. The Y coordinate. Right, it's negative, so it's kind of it is pretty positive actually. Only 3 away from the side. So might do a some 5. Z very close, not closer to 0.8 than the Krastorio. Whoa, we're way off. We're way off. Okay, so where'd we go wrong? This middle is halfway between the top right and the bottom left. The middle is halfway between top left, top right and bottom left. Well, of course it is. That's the middle there, right? So my X is I'm gonna move it across by 1, so that's be a 0.5. The Y it's out by a lot, I think. What's the Z that's out actually? Oh. Okay, we got a little bit closer. Please don't get any of your biology on electronics. This guy. He's a bit of a crack up. So I moved to like 2. Try another. Oh, that didn't move it at all. Oh, that's awkward. Oh, I think I might miss this one. I have to wait for the cooldown. I'll come back to it. I'll try another one. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 by 15. Holy moly. What's that in a grid? What's 1/15? 100 divided by 15. This is 6.67%. There's none of them actually at 1. But the 1 is equivalent to. I guess you can zero them out. Like the X, for instance, is basically 0 on the top left, bottom left and top right is basically 0. It means that's a 0.4 on that. So this is the opposite end, so it's negative. It might not be negative, it might just be 0. I don't think it's fully 0, it's almost 0. Like 0.12. Y coordinates though, heavily favouring on the y coordinates. More like 0. Oh, it's far away from the left one, but 0.6. And this one way more towards the right side, so 0.3. Target is on the inside of the grid, not the outside. Okay, so completely missed the grid. Okay. A bit harder than I thought. I mean, 4 wider beacons is alright, but I'm gonna get 13 to 15 or 15. Oh, I'm way off. Okay, so that x coordinate is it's almost right. I think it's 0.2. The y coordinate needs to be way less. That's 0.5. My maximum got off the grid. So that was a bit on that 0.5 one. This one here, I was there last time, wasn't I? So you've used all your tents for now. Just about 20 seconds for both. Do you need cognitive augmentation? Yes, please. I wouldn't mind that. I wouldn't want being smarter. Oh, it's so far away. So far away. So the x coordinate, I think it has to be like really negative. Negative. On the grid, that's way off. So it's not negative on the x coordinate one. Hey, just pick numbers at random. Well, I was kind of close before. It's supposed to be like a 0.2, I stayed some of your transmissions. It's not spying if you broadcast it like that. Ooh, that moves really fast. I think as we move the y coordinate towards more positive. 0.4, I think. On the next unlock. It's just like a more visible display for the unlocking. Ready? Oh, that went way further away. That's the Z then. Wow, 5. Wow, that's You can hang of this. Oh, not free players. You can put your own puzzles you want. Yeah, I know. We give me all the goods. Where's my trophies? We got speed 9, another prod 9, and efficiency 9. We're gonna dump some other crap in here. Get rid of that. We need the fish too. We don't need the fish. So we got the 7s. We claim most of these prizes. Well, the wider beacon is a bit harder. And these other ones, like how the hell do I get this 10 Argospheres? I'd really like to get that. I think you have to solve it properly though. I might have to look up it online. How do you solve a 3-dimensional grid with on 2 dimensionals? I think this is just actually I can solve this in pen and paper. I think it's like you do like literally just do you solve it like it's calculus thing. You convert them all and then equivalent them and then how do you solve for a certain location? Oh, I guess you plug that into the formula, right? So 33 or 44 go into the formula. They're spit out in different dimensions. Solve for it. I'm pretty good to do it on pen and paper. I mean, this one here, I'll be totally guessing. Like bottom left is 3.3, top right 2.4, top left is 1.6. So, way down here was like, you know, 2.7. Y is more towards the 3 and Z. Such accuracy. That is just terrible. Well, I'm trying. Not even on the grid, eh? You only get like 2 attempts in this thing too, so you can't even see where it goes when it goes wrong. Even in that 8 napkin process actually that's a really big prize. Because I really need that. I really need them. So when you get this wide area beacon, let's start again. So I have 2.7 up there. X is pretty much 0.4. Very close to it. Y. Right. Left of basically 1. Point. It's just a ratio, eh? So A6 divided by 49 is 1.75. So 25% of no, 0.86 times 1.75. No, 0.86 divided by 1.49. It's mostly 0.86, isn't it? It's like zeroed to 8. But slightly skewed off that, might be 8.5 or something. X coordinate is 15 cells. And we got AC minus 45. 15 is like 0.218 per cell. 0.28 per cell. So it's like 3 cells. 0.84 away. 0.084 away. Minus 0.48. 396. 5, what's the Z? If 0.2 is that one. 0.89 minus 0.2, 15. Minus 2. Oh, that's not too bad. I got the right idea. So we're just going to go down. So the x coordinate is totally wrong. This is supposed to be like 5. Oh, went the wrong way. So it's actually that way. That goes that diagonal there, so that was actually correct. But then you change that, you also then got to change the other plane. It's like a zigzag, changes 2 directions on the. That curve is I think it's called so funny that I failed second year calculus and logic stuff. It's too hard. This is exactly what this is. This will come back to haunt me. Bottom left, bottom right. I think it's much bigger number then. Yeah, so we got that. That got that made down. Where's the x coordinates? Maybe that's actually too low. So I went up when we went up. I think it's going to be more towards 0, eh? So maybe like more towards 0.1 or so. I think maybe towards 0.1. I understand the challenge, right? Wow. What? Off the grid. Okay. I think the height is about right. It's just more the z-axis. I haven't figured that out. The y-axis as well. This is a really tricky one. I don't mean to be rude. Yeah, I don't mean to be rude either, mate. This is quite tricky. I don't know what the free play gives me. Of the 3 corners of the given. Could it be negative? Could be. No. Maybe it isn't negative. Where the X numbers are out though. I'm not sweeping here. I can't seem to sweep this corner. I think I would get 8. Right, very good. I'd really like to get this neckman processor one done though. Got to need a pen and paper for this, eh? Where's a pen? See if I can get the ink going. So the number 8. That one there's kind of, it's not too bad, but it's not going down, you know. So the big weight on the bottom is for these two. To do that higher, goes that way, which is not what I want. Let me get this higher. Ooh, that's working better. So maybe it's this 1 point. And that's gone off the side. We had the right idea there, I think. This one's a bit trickier. So 1 and 0.5 we're up to. There on this one. These are big numbers, this one. So the Z is really high. Now it's 20 by 20 grid. And the grid is 980 to 772 or 772 to 436. It's like a funky ratio, eh? But not quite. It's 4/20th, which is 20% of it. $5.30. What's the next one? Roughly. It's really along near the top right, isn't it? So it's 4/20ths along. The 20th is 576 divided by 20 times 4. Minus 30 or add 30? Oh, plus 30. And this one is heavily skewed towards the Z. 850. No, way too far off. Ah, I thought it was kind of in the ballpark. No, I can't. Not even on the grid. Not even on the grid. That's 10. Those 8 neck compressors though. That's like a lot of arcospheres. And I can't really fold very well. Still trying to get my folding data probably should actually get these written down when I solve it. I want to spoil it for everyone else though. I just want it for myself so I can load back and get them all. This last one looks like an absolute nightmare without doing it on pen and paper. This looks like fractal math. That's a bit strange. So what's something on the grid? I don't understand that. Okay, we're on it now. We're quite close. Not too far off. So that going down is definitely increasing the X out there. That's actually probably down too much. Should I 7? Oh no, it's gonna sweep though. It'll sweep. So it's gonna be this other value. It's gonna be the Z value that's gets me the right way. More like some 5 in that maybe. Well, that's gone way down. That's very close. Very close. 845 and 890. So with the Y, we could move to Y a little bit. $60 or something. Okay, the Y is, I think the Y is going to get us there. That was when you do that, that's going to be 90. I think we'll be there roughly. I think we solved that one before this other one. We haven't solved this one yet. We might solve number 9 before we solve number 8. Oh, it says my thing's unstable. Strange, definitely not. Alright, let's try that. Oh, that went up. Didn't, that would have definitely hit it. So the the Y is fine on 60. It's actually this the Z's will be back. That's not cool. Looking further away. I haven't quite figured out. I thought that Y would have done it. Must be a Z. Not the Z. So close. I'm like breathing down the neck of it. All these coordinates seem to move this up and down. It's like a subtle angle. What is the Y, yeah? I think it's the ratio, so you get the ratio right, then it unlocks the ratio in, and the others just move along. I think the Y can move now. Move a little bit. Oof, so close. $820 might get inside. Glad it doesn't lock you out permanently. Otherwise we like so screwed. Ah, so close. One more. Ah, what I say? Yay! Got the Nequium processes. That's awesome. Where are they? I don't see them. Are they in my trash bin? They are. Okay. Oh, they're individual slots. That's cool, we solved that. I might write that one down. That's actually that was quite tricky. I don't know whether it's probably random for each game. But my game is probably going to be the same. Alright, let's get this one. It should be easy, this one now. We kind of had the good numbers down originally. I'm just going to move it closer. Off the charts. Really? It's too far? Yeah. It's really sensitive to the X value. Why are we pushing the Y one? I was told humans were numerate. Wow, you've been told wrong. This is Y. We're 0.8 on that, and they're going to move the X down. Oh, it's locked still. Oh, it's gone up even further. Curious that Y value moving like that. Look at the ZB. That's a bigger Z. Much bigger Z. I think the Z's could be like more like 6. We're gonna push out though towards this corner. It'll be like 1.6 or something. Ooh, that was close. 7. Might be 2. Oof, so close. So close. Why is the Y be so big? My brain doesn't understand why the Y is so big. Yay! Hang on, this I'm not free play, yeah, no. What did we get this time? It was the wide area beacon. Oh, we got. Oh, the Mark IIs! They're actually better than the ones I got. I actually haven't got these. These have got, how many slots they got? Don't know if you've seen these before, but it's nice seeing good beacons. Cool. Alright, let's we solve that one we have. Okay, this is number 10, it's lucky last, so it's I'll save that one, the number 8 one. That's probably worth keeping on paper. I mean, these ones below that are kind of much easier. And that one there was quite tricky. I can't remember what it was down the corner, so it doesn't matter. We got them on history in the video if I want to look it up. And this one's a monster. It's a 50 by 50 grid. And it's celled at 33 by 44. And it's kind of like near the bottom right, so it's like away from all the existing ones. So it's gonna be hugely favoured on this. I think click on that. And this is gonna be like might be negative even for that. And this one kind of bigger as well. Aim for the grid. Oh, I was trying to get the grid. Thought I was on the grid. I gotta figure out how to get on the grid first. Oh, my arcospheres. Oh, my free arcospheres. I'm gonna solve this puzzle. Getting my free arcospheres. No one watching. So funny. Quite tricky though. 2.6 in that. Not even on the grid, human. What are you doing? I'm guessing. I've got to just go guess better, right? I thought they'd be on the grid. I was trying to get numbers in between all these ones. I kind of like this Brontion dude randomly walking around. It must have like biologic or something in it. We've got 4,500 rockets in them now. So crazy. When will the biters ever come along? Don't eat old Brontion up. I don't even know if I can get off this planet. I don't know if I've got enough fuel. I think I can do one landing. I think it's worth it for my loot. I don't even give a shit about that. All that. That's all crap. That's all crap. I don't need that. Nice, but I mean, I don't actually need it. It's kind of worthless to me at this point in the game. But the other stuff, like, further down is worth it. I'll drop this down to... Okay, we found a point on the grid. We're on the grid. So... That's kind of... curious. Which direction I want to go? We go right. It was all the other way around this time. Go right is less, and left is more. This one is quite heavy on that one. And that's off again. Moving on the grid. Weird. It's taking me ages to guess this thing. Really should try to figure out the math on it. 33 by 44. So I think if you do this on paper, it's 1.618033x plus 0.9887498y equals what does it equal? It doesn't equal shit. Just can't remember how this works. We're way up there at 0.7. Well, it's quite good for going down though. The Z's, I thought that'd be the Z, but it's not. Maybe 3. No. What's a free play give me? New prize? It's random grid sizes? What a nightmare. Who's the free play of this game? This is a horrible game. Especially when the numbers get all random. Alright, Brontion, calculate. It's not even on the grid again. What the hell? Oh, this is tricky. Alright, that. Why over there? Oh man. How am I gonna push it this way? Maybe the X number's gonna be a lot lower. No. 1.5 next time. Try my patience. Solve the Brontion. 1 hour in, we've always solved them all. It's taken an hour of my life. It sounds like an unstable stream though. That's strange. Okay, it says excellent now. Better. on the grid, really? Right up there. On the grid. That's a Z I've got to move. No. It's like lines, like, because it's three-dimensional too, it's like lines. The coordinates, I think. Spatial lines. I might have to even get my textbook out. I've actually literally got an elementary algebra textbook for my monitor stand. I'm gonna move my monitor and grab it. This is so weird. What are the odds I need this? Alright, I got the book. Elementary linear algebra. Got a lot of dust on this. So we got the coordinates. So the character's equation of A is det of lambda I minus A equals the matrices of lambda minus 1, lambda minus 1, and 1, 1, 0, which is the solution lambda equals 0, lambda 1, just a bit above. As discussed in section 2.3, the eigenvectors of the matrix A corresponding to an eigenvalue lambda are the non-zero solutions. If lambda is 0, the system is la la la, which is the solution. Okay. As anticipated, these are the vectors along the z-axis. If lambda equals 1, then system 9 is blah, which is solutions x equals s, x2 equals t, x3 equals 0. And this is tricky. So there are vectors in the xy plane. Summary. In theorem 2.3.6, we listed 6 results that are equivalent to the invertibility of a matrix. We include the section by merging theorem. How do I do it quickly? Determine whether multiplication by A is a one-to-one linear transformation. I wish I actually passed this course. It's a bit tricky. Yeah, here's the wavy lines. Point 2. Okay, no, 0.2. No, 0.4. Subspaces of R squared, subspaces of R cubed. Through the linear system. This might be more like it. Each of the systems has 3 unknowns. The solutions form subspaces of R cubed. Geometrically, this means that each solution space must be aligned through the origin. Aligned through the origin only, in all of R cubed. We should have verified this. Declaring corresponding components gives la la la. Where was this thing? I can't even remember where this was now. That's way up there. Then it's falling off the top of the grid. Maybe a higher number. 0.9 or something. Determine whether vector span is now cubed. Vector spaces. The rock skin. Oh, do I have a rock skin? That sounds like could be a thing. Oh no. Really? That's outside the grid. Okay. Dimensions. Here's the planes. Equal scales, Q's axis. I haven't done this math since the 90s. Here's my curvy lines. Just get MATLAB out. Download the math program. Oh. I thought it was 0.6 before. N by N matrices. Null spaces. Let A to X equals B, the linear system. Whoa. Don't know. Not sure about that. I was going to find an equation to equate it to. Formula. Then I can solve it myself. It's be a null space, 3 coordinates. Oh, here's that cancelling formula, isn't there? You can't cancel any of these are all different numbers. It's very sensitive on that axis. Very sensitive. Y axis. X. No, I think it goes off the grid. Okay, so we do need this to be down. But this one needs to be. That's fine. I'm sorry to get it towards this way. Wait. Why am I waiting? Why am I waiting? This puzzle's so tricky. That's what my Arco says. I'll be out of here. I'll be skedaddling. Vectors, man. Okay. So Let's move way over here. That Z1. If it be a high number. Wait for the unlock. Which has more than 2 guesses. I'll be guessing much faster about these delays. It's supposed to be linear algebra, right? So there's like 10 conditions in this theorem. What the shit? So crazy. And sort of getting there. I'm gonna move both at the same time. I'm looking through my textbook. I don't think I'm gonna find the solution in the textbook. Inner product spaces. Length for distance of inner product spaces. I don't even know how to do this paper at all. I don't understand any of this. I think I copied it down and I was like brain dead. Okay, that's... Gotta hit this one down. I'll guess my way there. Can't solve this with math. Just guess the answer. Best guess. For those who have studied calculus, recall from the calculus that the arc length of the curve over an interval is given by the formula. Don't confuse this concept of arc length with this, which is the length norm of f when f viewed as a vector. Some basic properties of inner products. It's so basic. So basic. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting there. We're gonna rope it back in a bit. So slowly gonna get there. I'm not gonna figure out what this math is. Angle and orthogonality of inner product spaces. Find a weighted Euclidean inner product of r squared for which the unit circle is the ellipse shown. Yeah, good luck with that. And it's off the grid, he's serious. What? What was that before? That sucks. So sensitive. I'm having to decrease the numbers to more decimal places to get closer. Ah, I thought I was there. Well, we might get this solved before I go to bed. I was going to do a quick puzzle tonight, and I was like, yeah, I'll get them all solved, no problems. Oh, what if we muck this up completely? Is it 8 then? So Those numbers push it right off the edge. Keep feeding which direction this pushes it. If A is an n by n matrix and if T of A R to the power of n to R to n is multiplication by A, then the following are equivalent, and there's like 20 conditions. How do I ever do this? And it goes that way. Oh. That's close. I can't remember which is y goes up or down. That x. Maybe like 2.45, I think. And y is going to be a bit bigger number. So close, and it's gonna go 2, 2, 6. The challenge is locked. Oh no, it is. Keep reminding me. What projections? Projecting. This is bloody. I swear there's like curves on a map. These things. Emax vectors to vectors. Oh, this looks more promising. Why is it orthogonal? Oh, so close. What is Z? What's that one do? Wow, that's a huge move on the Z. We aren't not touching that. Leave the 0.8 alone. It's got to fit around the X and Y, I think. We're right next to it. I only like a 2.3. 7. Might go the other way. Damn. 2.6. That was a 2.7. And this was overshoot. So close. I can almost smell my Tinaka hairs. I'm gonna take off. I got a spaceship to send down. Pick up my loot. I guess I get all the loot. Right down the spaceship here. Which was like a grand prize. That was nice looking for a textbook from a long time ago. Might go move my screen. There we go. Oh yeah! Oh my god! We finally did it! That was so tricky. Holy moly. A lot of guesswork. It took me, how long did it take me all up? Oh, it's disappeared my on white screen. It took me an hour 19 to solve all the puzzles. Cool. Don't lose them because you can't make more. Okay. So what? Do I get another prize from you, man? I solved it all. Maybe not. How many Agaspheres I got? I have no idea. I mark 10 of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Got my 10 Agaspheres. Alright, we're done. Bronto's done. Let's go send my ship down to pick me up. And that's gonna be me. How much fuel do I have? 126. I hope I can get out of here. Otherwise I'm screwed. Go put some stuff in my ship. That'll do. Pick up my goodies. Thanks, puzzles. Anything left? Can I come along, Bronto? Can I come for a ride? You got 6,800 rockets. I don't know why I got so many rockets. But we're leaving, mate. We're out of here. Now it's going to take a lot of fuel to get out of here. Oh, that's a hell of a lot of fuel to get out of here. Holy moly. We have like no fuel left. We have to make a trip home. I have to go all the way back home. Caldas, I think. I was gonna get more stuff, but I think what we could go to there and there and there and then there on the way though. I think. But level 10 done. Cool. We've done Brontion. See you later. Thanks for the puzzles. That was great, man. That was great fun. Alright, I'm done. GG.